Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Deer Gambrel is probably one of the most essential tools for any hunter. It simplifies the process of field dressing and transporting your harvest. This video will explore the features of a top-rated Deer Gambrel, discussing its design, ease of use, and how it can significantly improve your game processing experience. We'll cover everything you need to know to choose the right Gambrel for your needs. Number 5. HME Game Hoist Kit with Winch. Introducing the HME Game Hoist Kit. It includes a winch, gambrel, and a 360-degree swiveling shaft with a locking pin system. This makes field dressing your game easier than ever. This hoist kit is built tough. It can handle large animals, including deer and hogs, up to 400 pounds. It's a reliable and powerful lifting solution. The height adjusts from 74 to 102 inches. This ensures comfort for hunters of all sizes and adapts to different field conditions. You can customize it to your needs. The design prevents the gambrel from swiveling during use. This minimizes the risk of slips and ensures steady operation while you prep your game. It keeps everything secure. It features a powder-coated finish that resists corrosion and enhances durability. This makes it perfect for tough outdoor environments. This kit is made to withstand the elements. What we like. This kit offers a robust 400-pound capacity, perfect for handling large game. The adjustable height ensures comfort for hunters of all sizes. If you are looking for a reliable and versatile solution for field dressing, this is the one for you. What people say. Excellent product and good quality. Works great. The deer goes from the field to the back of my pickup truck in no time. I use this to load a 150 pounds hog and large buck onto my tailgate this deck with no help at all. It really worked well. Up to this point it is always a struggle to load alone and I am a mess when finished. No more. Easy and my clothes stayed cleaner. All the people who say you can't put the tailgate down are incorrect. The trick is to hoist the animal. Unlock the swivel. Swing the animal enough for the tailgate to clear the handle. Drop the tailgate and proceed. The bonus with this is field dressing. No more trying to do this on the ground. Lift the animal by the head and field dressing becomes much easier. No more bending over and struggling with floppy legs. Number 4. Hunter Specialties Super Mag Lift System with Gambrel. This is the Hunter Specialties Super Mag Lift System. It's designed to make your hunting experience easier. This system is a great tool for any hunter. The system features a 55-foot tangle-free rope. This allows you to easily raise and lower your game. It ensures smooth operation every time. It can easily lift up to 1,500 pounds. This makes it suitable for a variety of game. You'll appreciate its strength and reliability. This is a hoist and gambrel combo. This combination provides a complete solution for field dressing. It simplifies the entire process. The system has a 6-to-1 lift ratio. This means it provides significant mechanical advantage. It makes lifting heavy loads much easier. What we like. With a 1,500-pound lift capacity, it can handle even the largest game. The 6-to-1 lift ratio makes lifting incredibly easy. If you need a heavy-duty system for big game, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The rope is very long. The framework is top-quality steel with enamel paint and it works smoothly. The rope actually catches on the internal wedge of the lock lever's loop itself and is quite effective and very simple. Number 3. Hunter Specialties Super Mag Lift System. This is the Hunter Specialties Super Mag Lift System. It's a hoist and gambrel combo designed for hunters. This system makes field dressing big game much easier. The system includes both a hoist and a gambrel. This combination provides a complete solution for lifting and processing your game. It's a must-have for any serious hunter. This system is ideal for deer and antelope. It's built to handle the weight and size of these animals. You'll find it makes the job much more manageable. The Super Mag Lift system is designed for ease of use. It's simple to set up and operate, saving you time and effort in the field. You'll appreciate its user-friendly design. Get the Hunter Specialties Super Mag Lift System today. It's the perfect tool for any hunter looking to make their job easier. Get yours now and experience the difference. What we like. This combo is perfect for deer and antelope. It is a hoist and gambrel combo. If you are looking for a simple and effective solution for deer processing, this is the one for you. What people say. The cable brake system is nice and simple. It pinches the rope to hold it in place. The gambrel attachment, while not anything for which I have a use, appears to be well made and capable of handling what a weekend hunter might throw at it. The rope is very long. The framework is top quality steel with enamel paint and it works smoothly. Number 2. HME 4:1 Game Hanging Gambrel 1200 pounds. This gambrel simplifies the process of hoisting your deer for cleaning and butchering. It allows one person to handle the task, ensuring the meat is properly cared for and ready to transport. The 4:1 pulley system significantly reduces the effort needed to lift heavy game. This mechanical advantage makes it much easier to handle and process your game. Built with 3 8-foot, heavy-duty steel, this hanger is fully welded and gusseted for added strength. It's a versatile tool designed to support heavy loads and withstand demanding use. The special hook design makes hanging your deer or other large game much easier. It's rated to support up to 500 pounds, suitable for a wide range of game animals. It comes with a carry bag to keep all components and rope organized and tangle-free. This is also great for off-season storage, ensuring its durability for efficient game processing. What we like. The 4:1 pulley system significantly reduces the effort needed to lift heavy game. The heavy-duty steel construction ensures durability. If you like a tool that is easy to use and store, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy to assemble and use. Great product that is just like the other gambrels in use, but is great to work with and easy to keep organized and untangled with the carrying case that comes along with it. Able to take of your harvest, no matter the size with this easy raise and autolock system. Number 1. Muddy Heavyweight Gambrel 25-inch Game Hanging Tool. This heavy-duty gambrel can handle up to 1,200 pounds. It provides stable and reliable support, making it easier to process your harvest with confidence. Made from durable 1-2-inch steel, this game hanger is built to last. It's designed to withstand the weight and pressure of large game animals, ensuring long-lasting performance. The 25-inch wide design provides ample space for hanging larger game animals. Its generous width ensures balanced and proper positioning, making your work easier. Equipped with robust hooks, this gambrel offers versatile hanging options. The sturdy hooks ensure secure attachment, preventing slips or accidents while working. Whether you're preparing for hunting season or processing game, this is the perfect solution. It's designed for efficiently handling a wide range of big game animals, from deer to elk. What we like. It boasts a high weight capacity of up to 1,200 pounds, ideal for large game. The heavy-duty construction ensures long-lasting performance. If you are handling elk or other large game, this is the perfect tool for the job. What people say. It's half-inch thick. Solid steel. Seems like something I'll have for many years to come. This gambrel is heavy-duty and should do well for years to come. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.